In this video, I'm excited to introduce the Tinkercad simulation of our zoo safety robot, Captain Klipspringer. The current model incorporates an impressive array of components, including one adrenal, two DC motors, two speakers, one distance sensor, one serial motors, one 9-volt battery, IR receiver, and one IR remote. This component collectively address the functionality of movement, warning, and camera turning. Let's get into the detail of this design. So, at the beginning of the code, all the necessary packages are installed, and variables are declared. In the setup method, connections are established between all input to the adrenals. Upon activations, the robot broadcasts a message to other robots, notifying them the area is closure due to emergency situation. And the loop method includes all the functionality of the robot. First, it will cover the distance sensors and warning system, utilizing two speakers. When the distance sensor detects the distance beyond the threshold, it triggers the speaker to play a loud noise intended to scare the animal away. At the same time, a message is sent to the staff alerting them to the approaching animal. Otherwise, it will show the safety distance. Then, the code will cover the moving function. So it navigates the robot to the destination based on command received from the remote. And we also have um, the move method support the moving functionality. At the last part of the code, it will address the robot's camera functionality. Staff members can adjust the camera angles to their desired position using the remote control. All right, let's see the simulation. When we first activate the robot, and you can see on the monitor, it will show the broadcast message, the area closed, emergency situation, SOS. All right, let's continue. And first, we will cover the moving functionality. When we press the button 1, and the boss motors will be active on high, and so the robot will moving forward. And when we press 2, and the top is positive and the bottom is negative, so the robot will turning right, right. And when we press 3, and both motors going backward. And when we press 4, and the top motor is going to backward, and the bottom is going forward, so we have the robot turning left. And if we press any other button, and the robot will stop. And then let's talking about the camera. There will be a camera installed on the serial motors, and when we press 6, the camera will be facing forward. When we press 5, the camera will turning to the right. And when we press 7, and the camera will turning to the left. All right, and the last part is our warning system. Um, about the warning system, um, if the distance is now beyond than the threshold, uh, let me make this a little bit bigger. If the distance is now past the threshold, it will now show you the warning. But once it passes the